Hello there. Are you a student looking for a business to start, or a sit-at-home mom who wants to support her family, a retiree looking for a new venture, or someone searching for the perfect business idea? Then this course is for you. Yes, our 10 days paint maker training will teach you from scratch how to become a professional paint manufacturer and start making money immediately from selling the paint you produce. The beautiful part is that this training is so well packed that even a secondary school student can start producing paint right after this training. We'll teach you how to start producing paint with the materials you can easily find. You don't need to break the bank to become a professional paint manufacturer. Yes, all you need is the right knowledge and the information, which is exactly what this 10 days paint making training provides. Do you struggle to produce quality paint? Are you having challenges with the paint that doesn't settle properly? Is your satin paint not shining after production? Does your paint have low spreading capacity or fails to dry quickly? Do you have trouble identifying fake chemicals from the original chemicals used in paint production? Can you produce durable paint that will withstand all weather conditions? Does your paint stains after application or fades over time? If you can't produce up to 59 different types of paint for walls, ceiling, floors, and automotive repairs, then I strongly advise you to enroll now for this training. Click the Learn More button to join the registration group and get the discount offer immediately before this offer is pulled down. This training will be more like a physical class because you will see live explanation, the necessary steps that you are supposed to start to become a paint manufacturer business, from production to branding and sourcing chemicals and plastic. You can participate in this training from anywhere you are in the world. All you need is the data to access the training and your training fees. Plus, after completing this training, you'll receive a certificate showing you learn paint production, and you'll be added to our support student group where you are going to meet other students and keep learning until you become more professional. Yes. So take a quick review of what our 10 days paint maker students are saying about the course.
Good morning, good afternoon. I'm Pastor James Sushi, the CEO of Result Painting Company Limited, based in Delta State, Oregon North. Well, precisely, I personally recommend you based on my experience in Luna Painting Institute, Lagos State, and enrolled into 10 days paint making. And my experience in 10 days making was very good experience, which I can never forget. Glitter painting. Well, glitter painting is the best painting institute in Nigeria, and their rotation bring out deeper knowledge based on painting, which I love. Glitter painting institute. Through glitter, you can get your marketers easy, and you can manage your little painting products ship easily to fund, and best you can acquire in Gleaner, good management and good rotation and good opportunity and good contractors and good buyers will come to you because of influence of Gleaner Painting Institute. And the CEO of Gleaner Painting Institute have many coverage and many influence. So with that opportunity, your company can sell and your company can make progress. And I'm acquire you and how I'm advising you to enroll into Glitter Painting Institute. Thank you. God bless you.
Are you still here? Click the Learn More button to join the registration group now before the discount price offer is taken down. Bye for now. See you in class.